Today we have this privateer bike that suffered a crash on the front legs of the forks, and we are going to replace the forks today. As you can see, the fork legs, especially the left one, is very bent, and for that reason the fork doesn't work anymore. It doesn't even go down because of that bend. So here we have a set of brand new forks, Lyriks, the Ultimate. It's the same as the original. And so before we install this brand new set of forks, we need to prepare the bike and disassemble the bike and getting ready for this fork to be installed. As you can see on closer inspection, the fork leg is bent this way in the front, and it damaged the paint right here. So the only thing we need from this fork is the crown race. Let's remove it. Now we need to double measure the length of this crown so to match it on the new fork. This is 21 centimeters. We're gonna cut this 21 centimeters as well. So I have installed the fork on the special cutting tool, and I will measure again the length. I will be 21, and now let's start cutting it. And now we're gonna take the edge off with a file. As you can see, really nice cut, perfect. Now we need to install back the crown race. A little bit of grease. Take the crown race, slide it down, and also the brand new star nut that came with the fork. And now the fork is ready to be put back on the bike.